Hello everyone, it's me Ryuna, back again with another video. Today we are going to be talking about how I make my dice. We're going to be taking our UV resin, which is what we'll use to cast our dice. This is an epoxy resin that cures when mixing component A and B together. We take it's a 50-50 mix of component A and component B, which I'm putting together here in this little cup that you can see. Gotta be careful with pouring this one. I've already managed to spill some stuff onto my little weighing scale that I use for this. It's one that goes to like about 250 grams, I think. After we've put them together, we vigorously mix the mixture together. You're supposed to do that for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we can take what we use to color our dice with, which is, in this case, alcohol inks. You can also use mica powders, but for this dice set, we'll be using some alcohol inks from Pinata? Am I saying that right? Anyway, what I'm doing here is a bit of an experiment, mixing 2 different cups of resin and using one cup I make a gold color and in the other I make a red color. Also, I just dump some like bronze yellow orangish flakes into the red mixture. You just take a bit of them and dump them in there. You don't have to put in a whole lot of them. As you saw, the capsule that they come in is kind of small. You don't want to dump it all in. Now I'm putting both cups in the vacuum chamber. As you can see, the mixture is rising upwards when you lower the pressure in the vacuum chamber. If I do nothing here, it will just overfill and go and just spill all over the place, which is something we don't want. So I occasionally just stop the pump, and you can also just increase the pressure again by opening the valve. Yeah, we've now mixed 2 parts resin together and they've been fully vacuumed to remove all bubbles. Now we can start pouring our mixture into our dice mold over here. I got this dice mold from a shop on Etsy. I think they're literally just called Dice Forge. Not entirely sure. But yeah, we slowly pour the resin in the same place from an elevated position. What you'll notice me doing here in a bit is that I pour a bit too much resin. You want to do it like I did the first dice. You want to pour it until it has like a little dome, but not more than that. But yeah, we fill each dice one by one. Oh, we're spilling a bit. And once everything is filled, we'll put on the cap of the mold. This is a 2-part mold. The thing that I'm pouring the resin into, that is the bottom part. And we'll put a cap, which you can barely see under my hand to the left. I'm gonna put that over it. I put a bit too much resin on here. A bit that I also cut out is that I put resin on the cap itself. I recently learned that I might not have to do that, and that might actually be detrimental to the whole casting of the dice. But yeah, once everything is filled up together, we will continue on. We'll let the resin sit for a bit. If there's any bubbles that pop up, we'll remove that with a little lighter. And then we can slap on the cap of the mold, put some pressure on it, and voila. Thank you for watching this tiny little video explaining how I make dice. This is an example of a finished set I made. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye bye!